If you're over 60, your legs are getting weaker, faster than you think. Every year you lose 1 to 2% of your muscle mass, and without the right vitamins, your legs can literally shrink, making every step harder. But here's the good news. 3. Powerful vitamins can actually reverse this process. Fast. Ready to walk stronger, stand taller, and move with confidence again? Which of these vitamins are you already taking? Comment below. Let's see who's ahead of the curve. Think about this. You're climbing stairs. Suddenly your knees buckle. Or worse, your leg gives out entirely. For millions of seniors, this isn't just frustrating, it's dangerous. Leg weakness is the #1 cause of falls, and falls are the leading reason seniors are hospitalized. According to the CDC, 1 out of every 4 adults over 65 falls each year. But it's not just age. Vitamin deficiencies are silently draining your strength, especially if you're not eating enough of the right foods. And here's the worst part. Most seniors are missing these 3 essential vitamins completely, not because they're lazy, but because no one ever told them what to take. But when you get these vitamins back into your diet, the change is shockingly fast. In one clinical study, seniors over 65 who took these exact vitamins gained leg muscle and improved walking speed by over 27% in just 8 weeks. You're about to learn exactly what to take, why it works, and how to use it safely. But don't skip ahead, because the #1 vitamin for leg strength isn't what you think. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to rebuild your strength from the ground up. Number 23, vitamin D. Let's start with a big one. Vitamin D studies show that 80% of seniors are deficient in this essential nutrient. And without it, your body struggles to absorb calcium and phosphorus, the building blocks of strong bones and muscles. But that's not all. A major review published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that seniors who supplemented with vitamin D saw a significant increase in lower limb strength and balance. How to take it? Aim for 600 to 800 IU daily, ideally from D3, cholecalciferol. Take it with a meal containing fat. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, so absorption matters. Avoid high doses unless prescribed. Excess can cause calcium overload. Have you ever had your vitamin D levels tested? Tell us below. We're curious. N. Vitamin B1 Yumber, 2-Pak-2, vitamin B12. Now here's a vitamin most people ignore, and they pay the price. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve communication and muscle activation. Without it, your brain's signal to move your legs slows down, making you feel tired, wobbly, or even numb. Shockingly, 1 in 5 people over 60 has a B12 deficiency, according to the National Institutes of Health. And the signs are often misdiagnosed as aging. But here's what's amazing. In clinical trials, seniors with low B12 who started supplementation improved leg control and walking speed in just 6 weeks. How to take it? Look for methylcobalamin, a highly absorbable form. 100 to 1,000 mcg daily is usually safe. If you take antacids or metformin, you may need extra. These block B12 absorption. Pro tip: a simple sublingual, under-the-tongue supplement often works better than tablets. Have you ever felt tingling in your legs or feet? That could be B12. Drop a yes if this sounds familiar. 1. Vitamin K2. And now, the most powerful vitamin for stronger legs. Vitamin K2. Wait, not K1, the one found in leafy greens. K2 is different. It's the key to getting calcium out of your arteries and into your bones and muscles, where it belongs. In a 2021 Japanese study, seniors taking K2 daily saw a 61% improvement in leg strength and knee pain. Why? Because K2 activates a protein called osteocalcin, which helps build strong bones and supports muscle contraction. How to take it? Look for MK7 form, 100 to 200 mcg per day. Pair it with D3 for best absorption. They work like a team, fermented. Foods like natto are rich in K2, but supplements are much easier to take. Talk to your doctor if you're on blood thinners. K2 can interact. Have you ever heard of K2 before? Type K2 in the comments if this is new to you. So there you have it. Vitamin D, your muscle and balance booster. Vitamin B12, the brain-muscle connector. Vitamin K2, the calcium commander. These three are like your leg-strengthening dream team, especially after 60. And the best part? You don't need to wait months. With the right dosage, you'll feel the difference in just weeks. Take these 3 vitamins 5 days a week, and your stairs will feel shorter, your steps lighter, and your walks longer. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. Your legs are the foundation of your freedom, but they can't stay strong on their own. You have to feed them, protect them, power them. So go back through the list, talk to your doctor, and make these 3 vitamins a part of your daily routine. Which vitamin are you starting today? Type it below. Let's build a stronger community together. And if you care about staying strong, independent, and pain-free after 60, subscribe now and hit the bell. We've got your back every step of the way.